Hello everyone, welcome you all to Peppermint channel. Today we'll see how to make an chubby and skinny omelette. It's gonna be very delicious. Don't skip the video. Let's start doing it. Let us take a 2 eggs in a bowl and beat it till it get completely mixed. Stir again. Just add a pinch of turmeric powder and stir again, and just add half teaspoon of salt. Just add half teaspoon of salt and add a half teaspoon of pepper powder, and let us add half teaspoon of red chili powder. Stir again. We have to beat it finely. It will increase the omelette taste. Then let us add finely chopped ginger and green chili. Ginger we can take, I have taken half inch, very small piece, half inch I have taken, and only one green chili I have taken. Let us add these two and mix together. Let us add these two and mix together. Then let us add finely chopped onions. I have taken one small onion. Let us stir again. It's important you can stir for more time. You can beat it for more time till it get bubbles. You can observe it, right, till it get bubbles. Then let us add one tablespoon of boiled milk. It will increase the fluffiness of omelette. Then let us add coriander leaves. Just little amount of coriander leaves. Just add it and stir again. Now let us start frying it. Just light up the gas stove. So you can divide the two mixture into two equal quantities. Then one we can use for fluffy omelette, one we can use for that skinny omelette, normal omelette, right? Pour 2 tablespoons of oil. The bowl should be deep and small so that we can reduce the oil consumption. We can put small drop. Then if it is boiled, then you can add the entire mixture. You can listen the sound. Look at this. You can listen the bubbling sound. So now it is completely like we are getting the fluffy omelettes. Look at this. And here we need to avoid from direct flame so that we can protect from deep fry. Omelette should be semi-boiled. In a semi-boiled state, omelette will be very delicious. So let us maintain the golden brown color, and let us keep away from the flame, and let us just keep away from the flame, and you can see the fluffiness. After that bubbling sound, you can take it away. You can off the gas stove, and we can transfer this to a serving plate. Look at this. If you want, you can keep a tissue paper so that we can extract the oil. Just listen here. Just look at there. It's like very fluffy and very smooth. You can observe that. Just try it. You can see the smooth and fluffy omelette. Now let us start doing next one, a skinny omelette. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, nothing much, and initially keep in high flame. After the oil boiled, you can pour the remaining entire mixture, and just spread the entire mixture into throughout the pan. Just spread the entire mixture into throughout the pan, and initial stage you should keep high flame, and you can find some bubbles in around the corners of omelette. Just look at the corners, you can find some bubbles, right? So after that we can keep into slim. So this here also in the skinny omelette also there is some fluffiness, this because of we added the milk. Now let us transfer this into a serving plate. Just look at this, it's gonna be very delicious and it looks very beautiful. Let us taste it. Just take a small piece out of it. Just, it's gonna be very delicious. Try by yourself. Wow. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this recipe. As this is my first video, there may be some flaws, so kindly leave your valuable feedback in comments. Thank you all for watching it. Thank you for your patience. Let's meet in the next video.